good morning. Today is Saturday and it means another weekend vlog again. So, ang gagawin natin guys, autumn na dito sa amin and autumn na kaya naka-sweater tayo guys. At ang gagawin natin ay magha-harvest tayo ng walnuts. Tapos kung may mga figs, magha-harvest din tayo. And And I also want to collect all the sticks, yung mga pinagkainan ng aming mga goats and sheep. So, kukunin natin lahat yon if we have time. Tapos, kasi na-dry na yung mga yun guys. Tapos, yun ang gagamitin natin this coming cold days. Kasi yung mga sticks na yun guys ay yung mga prunings ng aming mga fruit trees or cypresses or any trees guys, I think na nandito sa amin. At saka yung sa kapitbahay namin, binibigay din niya yung mga prunings niya for our animals. Kaya yun, maraming mga natuyo na mga sticks na yun. So, yun ang kukunin natin at yun ang ating gagamitin para sa cold days. Yeah, medyo malamig na guys. Naka-blanket na rin kami ng makapal. Kasi nga malamig na. Tapos, we started eating soup as well. But, ang kinain ko kahapon ay ramen. Yeah, chicken soup. Chicken yung broth niya guys. Yun ang kinamit ko. So, tara. Hello friends. So, I am separating the green ones and the red ones. So, ito na yung mga pinag-alisan ko ng mga tangkay. Nandoon din, dito ko din nilagay yung mga medyo malalaki kasi we are going to use this for spreading our breads. Tapos, dito ko nilagay naman yung mga greens. At saka yung mga red, guys. Kasi, we put this in our salads. Tapos, kung marami, siguro, I'm going to make sauce. Or, I'm going to make green sauce, siguro, guys. Let's see. Let's see kung ano ang magagawa natin. So, ayun, guys. Na-separate ko na siya. So, what we are going to do is hugasan natin mamaya. And, ito na rin yung mga greens. Hugasan din natin mamaya. I'm thinking maybe if I'm going to make sauce, green sauce, or I will just freeze these ones. I don't know guys. Kaya inilagay ko lang dyan. Kasi I'm going to think kung ano ang gagawin ko. Pwede na yatang i-harvest ito guys. Look. Kasi yung iba, kinain na ng mga birds. Like this one. Yan guys, kinain ng birds. Ayan. Tapos ito din, kinain ng birds. Buti na lang yung mga aso namin. Buti na lang guys, yung mga aso namin, pag nakikita nila na super dami ang ibon dito, as in they go and shoo them away. Kaya salamat sa kanila. Kaya may mga natira pa na pwedeng i-harvest guys. Ang dami kasing mga ibon dito, super. Kasi sa iba kasing mga neighborhood namin guys, as in nakikita nyo naman siguro na farms, walang gaanong trees. Kasi walang gaanong trees kasi as in yun nga, extensive yung ginagawa nila, extensive crops na food for animals. Kaya wala silang mga trees. Dito sa amin lang ang super dami ng trees. Pag nasa kalsada ka, makikita mo talaga yung dito sa amin na super dami ng trees. Kaya maraming mga birds din na pumupunta dito. Kaya ayun, kita niyo naman siguro mga trees. Trees are everywhere. Yun. So guys, punta na tayo at mag-harvest ng walnuts.
Our hearts beat to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So, ito yung walnut tree namin, guys. Nag-start na rin na mag-brown yung mga dahon niya kasi nga malamig na. And also, ano nga ba ang sign when we are going to harvest the walnut? So, ito yung sign, guys. Kusa siya na nabibiak. Ayan. So, if we take it, can you help me, Hailey? Just remove the skin. Ayan. So, ayan na. Ang walnut. So, ito ang mga kukunin natin, guys. Okay. Ito yung ating basket. So, sana marami tayong makuha. And they are playing with the cat. Lee!
¿Agafas tu Heidi, la corda?
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Okay, guys. So, ito lang ang nakuha namin. This is what we got. Marami pa, guys. Kaso nga lang, hindi namin abot at saka wala kaming sungkit. Kaya, ito lang ang nakuha namin. Okay lang. Every year, dumadami ang bunga niya. So, I think this is the 3rd year already. Or 4th year. Yeah, so, punta na kami sa bahay, guys. I am checking if may ano. Meron. Kaso nga lang, ang iba na may black na mga ganito. Parang they started to eat, guys, inside. Sayang, no? Yeah, sayang. Ayan. So, punta na kami, guys, sa bahay. Nauna na yung yung tatlo. So, ako na lang naiwan dito. So, let's go na sa bahay. These are rose hips, guys. Nung isang araw, nag-harvest kami ng friend ko to make or to infuse in oil or in alcohol. Hello, friends. So, namumunga pa rin ang ating ampalaya. Ayan. Tapos marami pa dyan, guys. Iba. At may nakuha ako na 2. Alright, guys, so nandito na ako sa loob ng bahay at naglagay ako ng mixed bones dito. Bones ng chicken and also from the pork ribs. Yun ang gawin kong soup kasi gusto ng asawa ko kumain ng soup. So, I'm going to simmer this or boil this, guys, for maybe at least an hour. And meanwhile, mag-boil din tayo ng hard-boiled eggs kasi yun din ang ilagay natin sa ating noodles later, guys, sa ating ramen. Alright, guys, so look at this delicious soup, guys. As in na ang sarap. As you can see, right? So here is our ramen, guys. This is so delicious, nutritious, and really good for the tummy. This is comforting. This is one of our favorite soups. And then, guys, hindi ako kumain ng dessert. Ang husband ko ang kumain ng yogurt. And the kids as well, they didn't eat dessert. And matagal na kasi na hindi ako kumain, guys, ng apple cake. Tapos, it's season ng apple cake ngayon. So, maraming apples. So, that's what I'm going to make. Gagawa tayo, guys, ng apple cake, okay? So, nalinisan ko na yung isa, guys. Bale, dalawa lang ang ilagay natin. Okay. Masarap kasi siya, guys. Into bits. Ganun. Matagal na rin na hindi ako gumawa ng apple cake na fresh. Kasi ang ginagamit ko ay yung apple sauce loaf. Yan ang ginagamit ko na recipe. From the Three Rivers Homestead. Yun ang ginagamit ko. Thanks, Jessica, from Three Rivers Homestead for the apple sauce recipe. My family loves it. Thank you very much for being so kind and also for sharing your recipes. This is olive oil, guys. Extra virgin olive oil. Because that's what we always use. So, vlog ito, guys. Kaya, messy. So, kumusta naman kayo, mga friends? And now let's put the yogurt. Recipe ko ito, guys, ha. Ganito kasi ako gumagawa dati. Kasi, kaso nga lang, matagal na hindi talaga ako gumawa ng ganito. Tapos, iba-iba din yung procedure na ginawa ko dito. Kaya, let's see kung ano yung outcome niya, okay? And then I'm going to add maybe cinnamon. Apple and cinnamon, they combine well, right? A teaspoon of cinnamon. A half teaspoon lang pala, guys. Kasi parang madami. Okay. The smell is so good. Ito yung consistency na gusto ko. Yung parang medyo wet siya. It will be okay later, guys. Ooh, nice! I love it! The consistency is so nice. I will love it. Alright, guys, so I cut the paper. Put it here. Now, let's pour in here. Look at that, guys. It's nice. Alright, guys, so let's bake this one for 25 minutes into the preheated oven. Let's bake the cake in 180 degrees for 25 minutes or until the cake is done. Alright, guys, and for dinner tonight, I have mincemeat in our fridge and I want to make hamburger. So, let's make hamburger buns, guys. So, yung hamburger buns lang ay, yung ginagamit ko lang, guys, is yung parang ano, yung parang pandesal na recipe. Yun lang. Kaso nga lang, medyo mas malaki lang yung yung gagawin natin. Okay? So, let's make it. So, my family pala, they are watching the series Inside or Insider. Yeah. So, yun ang ginagawa nila while I'm here in the kitchen doing things. Okay, guys. So, this is the recipe that I always use, pandesal. Yeah. So, let's warm 1 cup of milk. Ay, sorry. And butter, guys. Isabay natin para maano, guys. Para sabay na silang matunaw. It's only 56 that one. Sabagay, 110. Alright, so that's 120. So I'm going to use my hand, guys, to knead this. So let's warm this up, guys. Alright, guys, so our bread machine is here. So ilagay na lang natin ang mga ingredients. Oh my gosh, parang nasubrahan yata ako ng init, guys. Baka mamatay yung yeast natin. $10 minutes, guys. Let me check it. Yun nga, mainit. It's not lukewarm, but it's mainit. Hello, guys. So, luto na ang ating cake. Wow! Ayan siya, guys. I did the toothpick test. Oh, malinis na siya. So, let's eat. Alright, guys. So, inilagay ko sa cooling rack para sa ganun, mas madaling, guys, lumamig. And then, kakain na tayo. Hello guys, so we almost finished yung cake guys. Parang isang slice na lang ang natira. I will show you. Nanonood kasi sila ng film. Nanonood kami pala. Al pastis? Niya un trocet, balls? Bina. Alright guys, so tapos na ang ating bun. I mean, nandyan na siya. So, what we are going to do is we'll let it rest for 1 hour. And meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the kimchi because I'm going to make kimchi, guys. Paubos na kasi yung kimchi namin and we love kimchi so much, especially this winter because it has a lot of good bacteria, probiotics, guys. That's why my husband and I will always consume if we have. So, we have to prepare it, okay? Hindi ko rin ipakita sa inyo, guys, yung process kasi I showed it in one of my videos. Yeah. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon ay na parang nag-glutinous paste na ihalo natin. And then, I'm going to prepare also 1 onion, 1 pear, 1 maliit lang na ginger, guys. I think I'm going to add all this para sa ganun masarap at tangy. And another one is garlics. Yeah, I'm going to peel 5 cloves of garlics. And I am just mixing it, guys. Kasi pag ano kasi ito, guys, pag maluto siya, very sticky. And I don't want lumps. So I'm trying to dissolve it before I put to heat. Alright. So okay na siya. Now let's add. Lutuin na natin. Medium heat lang siya, guys. And we have to stir it constantly para hindi siya dumikit. Ano pala guys, yung kimchi nakasog siya ng 1.5 hours or 2 hours, guys. So, yeah, I think 2 hours the better. And ginagawa ko nga ito, guys, while pinapaalsa ko yung ating bread na bread na pang hamburger. Yun ang sinabi ko sa mga anak ko that we are going to eat bread. That's what I told them, that we are going to eat hamburger, and if they want, I can also fry some French fries or fried potatoes. So, yun ang dinner namin, guys. Ganun ang dinner namin dito sa bukid. Ano pala, guys, gusto ni Hailey lumabas. Kaso nga lang, hindi kasi siya makalabas kasi she needs someone to bring her to the town. Kasi nga, we live in a farm. We live 5 kilometers away from the town. Yeah. So, kung walang maghahatid sa kanya, guys, hindi siya makakapunta doon. Tapos, ayaw ko din pumunta ng town kasi every time na pupunta ko ng town, we spend money. So, ayaw ko na pumunta siya doon. Kasi ayaw ko din na gumastos. So, hindi kami lumabas. So, wala kaming gastos, di ba? Oo nga pala, yung iba kahit na hindi sila lumalabas ng bahay, they can still spend money online. Pero sa akin, hindi kasi ako bumili ng anything sa online. Oh, ayun guys. Oh, luto na siya. I'm going to show you. So, ayan na guys. Luto na siya. Oh, sticky na. Ano natin guys. Palamigin lang natin. Palamigin lang natin. And then, we are going to mix this. So guys, kailangan ko din pala lagyan ito ng asukal. 1 tablespoon of sugar. So, yun ang ilagay natin habang mainit pa para ma-dissolve siya, guys. And then, let's mix it, guys. Ayan. Sa awa ng Diyos. Buti na lang, mainit pa. Ayun. Okay na siya. Ayun. So, sa awa ng Diyos, na-dissolve yung sugar. So, let's set this aside. And then, we prepare the rest of the ingredients. 12 minutes na lang, guys. And then, hanguin na natin ang ating tinapay. Itong pinapaalsang tinapay, ayan guys. So, lumaki nga siya. And then, we shape it and then let it rest again. So, ganun guys. Meanwhile, kuha tayo ng medium lang guys na onion. This one siguro. So, ito lang guys ang naani ko sa aking onion this year. It was a fracas. Failed guys kasi nga kinain ng talp or basta yung parang daga na nasa ilalim ng lupa. Mole pala, mole. Yun yung kumain guys sa mga onions ko. Kaya wala akong gaanong na-harvest this year. Buti na lang nagtanim ako dyan sa harapan, doon sa harapan na garden. Kaya meron tayong mga malalaki. Ayan. Doon lang guys ang naano ko, na-harvest ko. Buti na lang nagtanim ako doon kaya may na-harvest tayo. And then yung mga maliliit doon na sa kabila sa likod na garden. But I also use these ones guys, especially if I roast something. And then this one masarap siya, it's sweet. And then ito yung sinabi ko na nag-harvest kami nung isang araw ng friend ko. So I'm going to soak this or infuse this one into olive oil or alcohol guys. So ito naman ang ating garlic. So I'm very happy guys kasi marami tayong na-harvest na garlic this year. And I hope this will last until the next garlic na magha-harvest tayo. So I am choosing guys yung medyo malaki yung ngipin niya para mas maano, mas madali. So ayan. So, may iba't ibang sizes ito, guys. And I'm really happy. And next month, magtatanim ulit tayo ng garlics. Okay, guys. So, ito na ang ating mga i-prepare. Tapos, i-bullet para maging paste. And then, voila. Gagamitin ko itong mga maliliit na ito. 'Di ba flat siya na ganyan? Flat. Ganyan. So, ang mga ito guys, ginagamit ko for soup. Nilalagay ko sa soup pag gumagawa ako ng broth. And ito ang ating gamitin. Maganda sana kung ganito lahat. Medyo malaki. Kaso nga lang, hindi kasi pare-parehas ang sizes. So, ito ang ilagay natin. I will fill it. And then, yung garlic na mga ganito guys, mga maliliit. So, ito na pinakita ko kanina. Pag nagluluto ako ng lentils, nilalagay ko din ito. Ang liit naman nito. Cuchillo. Kahit na hindi ko na i-press guys kasi ilagay naman natin sa blender. I'm full guys. Wala na kaming ginawa kundi kumain ng kumain. OMG. Alright guys, so let's peel this pear and then i-blend natin. Kaso nga lang, mamaya ko na i-blend siguro guys. Pag after ko na i-press, after ko na matanggalan ng tubig yung kasi it needs time pa. So let's remove yung seeds niya. Sabi ko na hindi ko ipapakita sa inyo ang paggawa ko pero I still ayun. Guys, so nag-beep na. Tanggalin na natin ang ating guys, tinapay. At i-shape na natin.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. just like tall buildings as the
So, i-ano natin guys, i-shape into, let's put into log.
as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never say
70.
never stop.
Ilan kaya guys? 75 siguro?
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Yeah. So, 75. 75 feet. Ganun. Okay. Ganun ang gawin natin.
As the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
So, ayan na guys. 13 lahat. Nilagay ko yung isa dito sa baba guys kasi wala na siyang space. So, ganito lang guys ang gawin ko. Medyo malamig na kasi. So, i-on lang natin itong ano guys. Sa light lang ha. Sa light lang. Yung ilaw niya lang. Nothing more. Para hindi siya maluto. So, we let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes guys. Basta pag dumoble na yung size ng ating mga buns. And then, mamaya, lagyan din natin ng ano guys, i-egg wash natin. And then, let's not to forget to add or to sprinkle some sesame seeds. Para as in na talagang parang burger bun talaga siya. Alright guys, so nilal ko yung ano, yung lazy Susan ko. At hugasan natin. So ito yung mga nasa loob guys sa Lady Susan. Tapos as in na madumi na talaga siya. So we have to wash it. Naghahanap kasi ako guys ng empty na ganito para doon ko ilagay yung bubuksan ko na sesame seeds. Kaya hugasan natin. So let's dry it. Bago pa ito guys, hindi pa nagagamit. This one wala na, no need. May self pang grind siya guys. Tapos if you want to recycle and use it, you cannot because it's difficult to remove it. So let's throw that away. So bale ito yung empty. So what we are going to do is let's remove this, itong brand name and everything para malinis siya guys. Kita nyo? Wow! Wow! Nice! And let's put this. And ito naman guys yung adsuete ko, anato, from Salvador daw. So ito yung inilalagay ko pag nagluluto ako ng soup. And this is garlic powder. So ayan, okay na siya guys. And then ito nga mamaya. Let's add in. A ver if kasha. Hooray! Kasha siya. Kasha siya guys. Tapos ito din. Kasi ginagamit din natin sometimes. Ayan. Okay na? Clean. Let's put it back. So ito guys, ang ating sesame seeds. So ito ang ilagay natin sa loob. Ayun. So, okay na siya guys. Baka maparami ang may ilagay kasi malaki ang butas. Hello guys, so ito yung ano ko, yung sourdough ko. So buhayin natin siya. Let's see. Okay? Okay guys, so let's check it. Nangitim siya. And nangitim na rin ang flour niya. Kasi nga na inilagay ko kasi guys, let's try. Kasi parang wala na siyang amoy na mga sim-ngasim. So, buhayin natin. Okay guys, so update ko kayo bukas kung ano ang mangyayari sa ating sourdough starter. Sana mabuhay siya. Let's add flour. So, bali guys, ang ginagamit ko for my sourdough is whole wheat na flour. So, tinatansya ko lang siya guys. Ganito yung itsura. I'm not sure if you can see. Kasi bubuhayin natin. I don't want to waste a lot of the flour. And let's add water, guys. Tingnan natin. Gagamitin ko sana nung summer. Kaso nga lang, very hot. Para mag-bake, kaya hindi ako nag-bake. Nothing. So, medyo basa siya. But I don't want na basa. So, let's add a little bit more of the flour. Para yung mga bacteria may kakainin sila. Nasubrahan ko naman, guys. Very dry naman. Kunting tubig lang lagay natin. Ayan. Mabubuhay pa kaya ang aking sourdough? So, i-update ko kayo bukas, guys. Okay? Sa another vlog. Okay, this is the consistency that I want. Ayan. Meron konti. So, let's cover it. And, lagyan natin ng, ano guys, ng, wala akong rubber band. Para yun sanang ilagay natin. Para makita natin kung aalsa siya. Okay guys, so may ponytail ako na nahanap. So, ito ang ilagay natin dito. At ilagay lang natin sa counter dito. Para bukas, tingnan natin. Gumawa ulit ako guys ng apple cake kasi breakfast namin tomorrow. They love it. We finished guys. Naubos namin yung ginawa ko. So, gumawa ulit ako for tomorrow's breakfast. Okay guys, so ayan na. Nadoble na ang size niya. So, let's brush it with egg wash. Nandoon yung isa guys. So, let's do it. Tapos yung scrap na yun, I want to make vinegar. See. Hooray! Ang ganda guys! Look. Mira ka rin yung fico ito semillas.
Muove.
Hooray! Hooray! So, kung successful ito guys, I'm going to make more often. Every time na gusto namin kumain ng hamburger. Yeah. It is my first time to make these hamburger buns. And at the moment, I'm happy. Sana nga yung outcome niya ay maganda talaga. Yes, so I am so excited. I think in few more minutes, then we will put these buns into the oven and I will bake it for 18 to 20 minutes into 180 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, so ito yung magic bullet ko. This one. So we're going to mix it. Nakatago kasi siya guys, kaya let's rinse it. Ganun, Filipino talaga tayo, no? Okay. So, ilagay lang natin yung mga ingredients dito. And green chili guys from our garden. Alrighty. Okay guys, so let's add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce dito sa ating paste na to at saka sa glutinous rice. Let's mix all together, and then I have to add also some chilies na nasa ref. So ipakita ko na lang guys mamaya siguro, or you want to see how I'm going to make it. So wala akong Korean guys na pepper flakes na pepper flakes. So I'm going to use this store-bought. Doon sa Pakistani store ko nabili ito guys. So ito yung ginagamit ko. So, dito natin ilagay lahat guys. Okay, this is the rice paste. And this one. Kunti lang guys ang nilalagay ko na ito chili kasi nga very spicy. Kasi spicy na rin itong ano natin, mixture. Especially yung onion, garlic, and ginger. Diba, spicy yun. Tapos, alam nyo naman, mga Espanyol, hindi sila mahilig ng spicy food. Pero, ang asawa ko, nahilig na siya, guys. Nahilig na siya. Pero, yung hindi gaano ha, as long as he can tolerate, okay yun siya. If not, guys, hindi niya makakaya, so hindi na yan siya kakain kung hindi niya makaya. So I am making it sure na kaya namin kainin. Tapos ako din guys, yung na rin ako, parang hindi ko na rin gaano kaya yung super spicy. I can, yung sa atin, di ba? In the Philippines. So let's add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Binili ko ito guys sa Asian store. Matagal na. 1, 2, 3. And also, maybe 2 tablespoons guys. Or 1 tablespoon lang siguro guys. Kasi as in a super. Ayan oh. Arabic product ito guys. Let's see it. I'm not sure if you can see it guys. So ayan. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you Lakota. So ayan. Bijila anak, it's so spicy bijila. Para mahal al suil sinom. See ah. So yung ating cabbage guys, hindi pa na drain. So hindi siya gaano makulay guys. Kasi nga isang kutsara lang yung inilagay ko. And let me try. So ito yung i-massage natin guys. Sarap. Ang sarap. Katamtaman niya lang talaga. Yung ano, ang hang niya. Oh, yummy! I love it! Keep this again in the fridge para next time, ito ulit ang ating gagamitin. Tapos na rin guys. Tapos na rin ang ating burger bun. Wow! Wait. Ang ganda! Taran! Taran, taran! Taran! So, ayan guys, ang ating hamburger buns. Ang ganda, di ba? I love it. Alright guys, now let's put this second round of apple cake. 25 minutes. Yes. Okay guys, so gagawa pala ako ng breadcrumbs. I have breadcrumbs, kaso nga lang may garlic and ano kasi siya guys. May garlic and parsley siya. So this one is nothing. And the bread is going to stale soon. So I prefer to use it before it spoils. So let's put this into the oven. Okay guys, so I'm going to squeeze our cabbage. And then, ipakita ko na lang sa inyo guys mamaya, okay?
And because this was about 3 cups.
Ito na yung crotons guys, na i-mash natin para gawin nating breadcrumbs. Nice, ha? Alright guys, so here is the outcome of our homemade hamburger and French fries. It was so yummy. Alright guys, so na-squeeze ko na silang dalawa. So let's mix this two together. Kasi mas malaki ito. Mas malaki itong bowl na ito guys, kesa sa isa, as you can see. So i-mix na natin. Ilagay natin dito yung sauce. So, my hands are clean, guys. So, I'm going to use my hands. I mean, I can use also this spatula. Good morning. Let's eat breakfast, people.